tie your self-esteem to being a learner. Yeah, that's correct, right? There are some of us who tie our self-esteem to garnering titles, MD, MAED, PhD, EdDD, and if people won't acknowledge that one, some people will be very furious, and that means that they have tied their self-esteem to their titles. But there's a better way of doing it. Let's, instead of tying your self-esteem to your titles, why not tie your self-esteem to being a learner? You are always there to learn. Don't tie yourself self-esteem to being good. That's a losing formula. The very thing that makes you proud of yourself should be your willingness